celebrate its 50th anniversary, Mercedes-AMG unveiled the GT concept. This is the first four-door variant in the AMG GT lineup, and the highlight of this car is its hybrid powertrain. It features a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 petrol unit that is linked with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and a high-performance electric motor that powers the rear wheels directly. Mercedes-AMG claims that the GT concept will get from 0 to 100 km/h in less than 3 seconds.